Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do technical analysis, like a top 10 active stocks. But we're gonna just see like what's going on in the market and how we can take the advantage of it. Basically, it's better like when you do not understand, just to see like what we can do and how much advantage we can take without losing any money. So we're gonna just try to find um, what are the top points where we can create our entry and from where we can start making money. Basically, this is not a financial advice. We're gonna just do the analysis. Today market is closed. There is a disclaimer in the bottom. This is not a financial advice. This is just for learning and education. Like we're gonna see what is happening in the market. If there is an option we can take advantage of anything, we're gonna try to do that. And I will put my opinion before buying anything. Just consult your financial advisor. Let's start. Uh, our first stock is AMD, and what we are seeing like during this time, like after that AI event where they introduced a very powerful chip MI400, um, like during this time it's just went up. Like before it was down. If we see back, this was the event day where I took few trades, you guys can see on the chart, and then it went down for 1 day or 2 day because of like other circumstances. Then it went down completely, and then next day somebody pumped this stock up 10%, and now we can see this is here right now. So we gonna see like this is a very good momentum. We're gonna see what is the at this point like how this thing is working. You guys can see like before it was coming down, and now this thing started going up. The bottom was on the stock was $79.21 or something, or $77. Basically nobody can catch the exact bottom. If you got if you catched it, you guys are really awesome. uh, but I am not one of them. So wherever you guys find a spot, just enter in it. And how you guys will gonna find a spot, you guys gonna go and see, okay, what type of candles you guys are seeing. So we are seeing like here is there is a huge blush candle in 1 day when there was a politician tweet, which pumped up the market almost 1% or 10% or 15%, I think so, in 1 day. So this is that day. And you guys can see then it came down, then again it pumped, and then again it come down, and then again it pumped. And so this thing is completely like this way, it is complete happening like in a rhythm. So it stays down a couple of days, then again it get momentum, then again it create like it consolidate a little bit. As soon as it touch the bottom of that, like very cool, come close to that bottom of that day, it's like where it was started pumped, then again it just gets up and goes in the sky. So similar trend we are seeing here. It pumped up, but then came down. So we gonna see, we might see it coming down around here. Might be not, because it is staying the moving average right now. The lowest bottom we can expect on this one, like at this point, like what we are seeing, because it is staying above the moving average. This is a 200 days moving average, which is this green line. It is around 122. So if it is coming down below this one, then this is bad for the stock. If it is staying above this one still it is in a bullish trend. So what we are expecting is still bullish trend will continue on this stock up to $140. That's what we are expecting. I don't know like how high it will gonna go. This is not a financial advice again. I'm saying consult, make your stop loss if you enter in this trade, and then go with it and keep updating your stop loss, because in this world nothing is permanent. This is not my financial advice, but consult your financial provider. I always enter with the stop loss. I never enter without stop loss. So I do only day trading, not a long-term investor. So this is the toppy top right now. It is not, it doesn't came down below 126 during daytime. So this is the chart on a daily candle. If we go on 2 hour candle, we are seeing, okay, it is coming down to this point, then again pumps up, comes down, pumps up, because there is a high resistance in this area, which we are seeing in this one. Where it can go, we are expecting this one should go let me draw you a line where the orders are flowing. Trend line. This is the channel we're gonna see lots of selling pressure from the top, because whoever bought in this zone or this zone, because there was a lots of consolidation in this zone, almost 1 year one, and now they are selling. So as soon as it will gonna go and try to touch this part, it will gonna come down. So it might jump up to like around this area and then again come down. Next one is Tesla. My friend Tesla. It's very easy. Still, it's a good. It didn't create a lower low. Yeah, but it doesn't. It also didn't create a higher high. So it is consolidating right now. One day, whenever it made a higher high, then we're gonna see lots of pressure in this one, and it will gonna spark very high. So it is just staying in this zone. I don't know how long it will gonna keep continue going to that side. As soon as it cross this line, consolidation line, it might go again up to 400 or higher than that. It might break previous high, which is this one. There is a lots of consolidation going in this zone right now. So our next one is NVDA. NVDA, we are seeing lots of buying in this, because it doesn't matter AMD or Marvel, they introduce all new chips. Still, NVIDIA will gonna be a leader, and that's why it is not giving us a huge moves to up, neither huge moves to the down. It is staying in this range, and I'm hoping it will gonna keep consolidating, and it might touch its all-time high 53-ish, and then come down a little bit. It might consolidate in this zone. But this stock have lots of potential, because it has its own ecosystem, and it will gonna keep creating or generating regular profit. So this is it on this one, and let's move to OSCR. This is a huge buying pressure on this one. It might go and touch 24 very soon. At this time, it had been already gone through all the resistance level. Let's see what happened after hour, day 5 minute. Okay, there was a lots of buying, then started selling started happening, and like this was just a one day, like all buying, selling, all buying, then selling, and then again buying. This is after hours. So we will see what happened in this. And what is the next one? The next one is SOFI. As you guys know, there is a fintech boom right now going on, and it is just taking advantage of this one. This is just a banking stock, and market is considering a banking stock, not more than anything else. So basically, it gone up. It might go and touch to 1580s or around that price, and then it just come down or stay in this range. So I'm not expecting too much because it is a banking stock. So this is a previous day high, and yes, this is a previous day high. And let's see, 2 hours. This was the low, and now this is new high. Okay, so it might it can also touch to this point, or it can just keep going up. The rhythm is going up, but it might go and come back and touch this 1475. So this is a possibility for the stock. If any bad news doesn't came in, if bad news comes in, it's a high beta stock, and it probably lay down on the bed around 12 bucks or 13 bucks. I guess. Let's see what is the lowest point on this one. 2 hours. Yeah, it can come around this price. See, $12. This is the bottom red candle. So it can stay around this one. Okay, what is the next one? Next one is a coin, and this stock is also around overbought territory, but not overbought yet. But usually whenever it touches to like a overbought territory, it comes down. So let's see coin. This is completely FOMO right now, what I'm expecting, and I don't think so it's gonna stay there for a long time. It can come down very easily. One month, 2 hour. Okay. This is it. I think so this thing will gonna come down to this price. At one time it will gonna touch 219. That is also possible, but it might come down and touch to 273. This is the retracement. This is in overbought territory right now, and really overbought territory. Ding 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 ding. What else? Okay guys, this was the chart. I am marking my charting like there is a possibility like lots of short sellers will gonna come into coin, and they're gonna start shorting the stock, and possibility it will gonna come down and touch to this zone and then go back again, because consolidation is required. Just, yeah, if anything goes like boom and stay above, that is not how things works. Slowly everything has to be consolidated, and that will be the best practice for any stock. If you guys have any your stock you guys want to discuss with me, you guys can leave in the comments, and I will try to do that as soon as I have time. Thanks for watching. If I'm doing anything wrong, please leave in the comment. If you guys like anything, leave in the comment and I will try to do my best. This is not a financial advice. This is just a only and only educational purposes. Before buying or selling anything, please consider your financial advisor. Thank you.